Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we are solving the definite integral from negative pi over 6 to pi over 6 of the secant square of x dx. Okay, let's remember the definition of the definite integral. What do we have there? We will say that this integral from a to b of f of x dx is equivalent to the function, the original function evaluated on b minus the original function evaluated on a. Okay? By definition, the secant square of x, the integral of the secant square of x, is just tangent of x. So the integral that we will find is tangent of x evaluated from where to where? From negative pi over 6 to pi over 6. Okay, so that being said, what we need to calculate here will be the tangent of pi over 6 minus the tangent of negative pi over 6. Okay, the tangent of pi over 6 is root of 3 over 3 minus the tangent of negative pi over 6 is negative root of 3 over 3. Okay, if we multiply those two signs, this will be root of 3 over 3 plus root of 3 over 3. Therefore, this is 2 root of 3 over 3. And that should be our final answer. All right, thank you for watching. Remember to follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will be happy to help with your questions.